Today, we're going to write our very first TypeScript file and learn how to run the compiler. This means we'll write some simple code in TypeScript and then turn it into JavaScript so the computer can understand it. Let's get started step by step. First, make sure you have TypeScript installed on your computer. If you don't, you can install it by opening your terminal and typing npm install-g TypeScript. Once that's done, you'll have access to a command called tsc, which stands for TypeScript Compiler. Now let's write our first TypeScript file. Open your code editor, like VS Code. Create a new file and save it as hello.ts. Notice that the file ends with .ts. That tells the computer it's a TypeScript file. Inside the file, write this code. Let message string equals hello TypeScript console.log message. Here we're creating a variable called message. We say it's a string, which means it holds text. Then we log it to the console. Now, we can't run this file directly because browsers and Node.js don't understand TypeScript. So we have to compile it into JavaScript. To do that, open your terminal. Make sure you're in the same folder as your file. Then run this command, tsc hello.ts. This tells the TypeScript compiler to take your hello.ts file and turn it into JavaScript. After you run that, you'll see a new file appear in the folder. It's called hello.js. Open that file and you'll see something like this. JS let message equals hello TypeScript. Console.log message. See what happened. TypeScript removed the type information and turned your code into regular JavaScript. Now you can run it using Node.js or in a browser. If you have Node installed, you can type node hello.js and you'll see this in the terminal, hello TypeScript. That means everything worked. You wrote your first TypeScript file, compiled it, and ran it successfully.